AI will pretty much touch everything we do. It's more likely to be correct and grounded in reality. Talk to the AI about how to do better.
What if I told you the AI is quietly taking over software development and the most developer don't even realize this? If you see around, AI is everywhere, literally everywhere. AI is fixing a bug, AI is writing a code, even AI is building a whole full stack software applications. And the good part is AI is doing these all things with better speed, better quality, better effectiveness than humans. Most of the companies has been already started hiring AI powered developers, or even some of the companies has started hiring AI agents who does the coding job. So the question is, we are being replaced or is something bigger happening? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how AI is changing software development landscape and what this means for your career, and most importantly, how you can stay ahead before it's too late. Look, in 2025, we cannot say, okay, AI is just a tool. It is actively writing a code and optimizing a large code base. Let me show you everything in real time. Alright, I know what you guys are thinking. If AI is doing so many things in year 2025, where will it be after a few years? If AI can write a code, can debug, can build a complete application, what does this mean for developer like us? The junior developers, we can understand, whatever junior developers could build in a couple of hours, the AI can build in a couple of minutes with high speed, with better quality, with better effectiveness, right? And that clearly means in future junior developers are the one which will be facing the tough time. And we can see around, the AI agents, the AI tools have already started the better quality of work than junior developers, and there is a high chance of replacing junior developers by the tools like Codium, Lovable.dev, Cursor, or any other third-party tools that is about to come in the future. Let's see the highlights from the last year 2024 and current year 2025, how AI is changing the software developer landscape. But the reality is, it is not only for junior developers. The companies are expecting all the developers should use the AI tools to boost their productivity. That clearly means there will be only few hires, and the expectation for those who stays will be higher. This will be a contradict while saying, but anyway, let me tell you this. AI is not going to replace any jobs now or in the near future, but it is actually going to reshape how the software developer used to work before. Instead of writing every single line of code by ourselves, why not leverage the AI to boost up productivity? Let's AI handle the boilerplate, and let me focus on the bigger picture, like the problem solving and the system design, the optimization, those all things. But here is the catch. The person who uses the AI will have their existence, but in a different way. At the same time, the person who doesn't use the AI, then there is a high chance that developers will be replaced today, tomorrow, or for sure in the future. So it's up to us as developers. Shall we embrace AI, or shall we just ignore the artificial intelligence? And this clearly means, if you are just writing a code, that means you are competing with AI. But if you know how to work with AI, then you can compete with all the person who doesn't use the AI. And so instead of getting fearful about the wave of AI, ask yourself this: what could be the next step I can do so that AI will not replace me, but AI will work for me, right? You need this kind of mindset shift, and you have to work on this. Let me answer the big question: will AI replace the developers? See, if you look at the history, it has already shown that the automation doesn't completely replace job. but it actually changes them. The same thing, the same thing is going to happen in software development. Look, we know AI can write a code, right? But if you see, AI doesn't understand the system architecture completely, right? AI cannot understand the business logic to the fullest point, right? This thing is still up to our developers, right? And if you see the giant tech leaders like Elon Musk, right, the CEO of Nvidia, they actually warned us that the AI is going to replace so many developers, right? They are kind of true in some sense, but they are also 100% not true. There is no way AI is there to replace 100% jobs of the software developers. Of course, there will be a layoff, there will be a cutoff, there will be a discrimination between the person who knows AI and the person who doesn't know the AI, right? So it's up to you. The person who knows the AI can protect their job, and the person who doesn't know the AI, there is a high chance those person will be left behind. So this should be a major question. So are you want to be left behind, or are you going to adopt these all tools and the concepts? All right, I'm sure you guys know, okay, AI is not there to replace 100% of developers job, right? But of course AI is going to change the game how software developers have to work, right? So let me give you some tips, some things that you have to start implementing right now or instantly, so that you can protect your career, or you can protect your job for the future. First thing, don't fight with AI. Learn to use the AI. So master the tools like ChatGPT, Codium, GitHub Copilot, Lovable Dev, anything. If there is a tools to write a code, just master it. Because we know in the future, the person who knows the AI is going to lead the industry, right? So the second thing, go beyond from just writing a code. AI can write a functions, create a software solutions, right? But it cannot be a perfect at design system, architecture, problem solving, right? So why not master these concepts? So equip yourself with these all advanced concepts, and on top of that, always prefer efficient, optimized solution making with AI assisted solution. Number 3 could be, increase your skill sets. Not just understand how to write a code, but also try to understand the cloud computing, the automations, the artificial intelligence. So many tech stacks are there, right? So in the future, the good developers will be not the one who just writes the code, but who leverage the AI to build the whole software application. So number 4 could be stay adaptable. See, the tech is moving so fast. Few years back, we never heard the term called blockchain, NFTs, but those things are there, right? And so many new techs are coming which we cannot imagine at the moment, right? So be the software developers who can adapt super fast, who are open for experiment, who are open for learning new things, trying different tools, right? So the person who are adaptable can only be there in the future, right? So don't resist with the decision you have made currently. So open for the future, whatever the things will come. So stay adaptable. So the future of software development is not about humans versus AI. It is actually about humans working with AI. So the question is not, whether AI will replace developers, but the real question should be, will you adapt or will you get left behind? Developers who learn AI-assisted coding and focus on problem solving and stay ahead of trends, they will be unstoppable. But those developers who ignore this shift, they are putting their career at risk for sure. Alright, so this is the end of the video. So let me know, what do you think, if AI is going to help the developers or going to hurt the developers, right? So whatever the thoughts you have, put in the comment. I will be happy to reply. And if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, do whatever you can with this video, and stay tuned because more and more interesting videos are on the way.